What is up, guys? Let me tell you, we were kind of married to our bias for TGIF sells today. And yeah, now of course in hindsight, looking at it, it seemed a bit ridiculous to hope that price would come all the way down here for TGIF. But nonetheless, we didn't take a trade today, which is fantastic news. That means we don't lose anything despite having a wrong bias. We didn't enter because we make sure this time we don't take early entries and we wait for confirmation. If we don't see that confirmation, we don't enter. So that's exactly why we didn't take any trades, mainly because we're looking for sells. And if we didn't see it, well, we're not going to look for buys, because most of the move, as you can see, was done by the time we wanted sells to happen. So this is what we were seeing at the time. We were looking at the 30-minute random. I know normally we don't look at the 30-minute, but 30-minute we saw this giant inversion, fair value gap as well, and we thought, okay, this is price definitely inversing the market, let's go for sells. And we were just waiting for price to come and retrace back into this IFVG, right? We mark it out there, retrace back to IFVG, and then come back for sells, right? But that's not what ended up happening. We missed an awesome opportunity for buys because we were so locked in on sells. And I'll show you exactly where you could have had an awesome buy today. So as you can see, price clearly sweeps London low, this gray line over here as well as over here. This is London low. If I go down to the 15-minute, you can see this whole gray block is London. Here's Asia, London, over here Nasdaq and Asia. You can see price clearly comes down to sweep London lows. And we also have an SMT right there at those lows with US 30. As you can see, SMT with US 30, SMT with Nasdaq, as well as boom, S&P as well. So we get SMT. What's the next thing we normally look for? IFVG, right? Simple setup. It was here today and we missed it. Our go-to setup and we missed it. If we go down into the 5-minute, you can see it much better here on Nasdaq. We get a 5-minute inversion right here. I saw this inversion, but I didn't count it because I didn't like how price action looked at the time, and we were so close to this as a retracement. I was still in the lens of sells, so I completely ignored this. That was my own mistake. But we get the IFVG and SMT. We could have entered at any point there. We form a nice order block. If we go in the 1-minute, we have a much clearer inversion right here. Boom. This I did not look at all. This would have been a really nice setup for buys. If I put it here on the bigger screen, let's look at US 30. US 30 at the time was also making the right moves to confirm this reversal here. So this would have been a great entry for buys. There you can see price respects the order blocks right there. Boom, boom. We could have gone for buys at any point during these confirmations and just targeted, you know, Asia, London high. Simple as that. That would have been the winning trade of the day. But of course, we were too married to buy, to sells to see it. So lesson learned: do not be too married to your bias. that you miss opportunities. So at that point, I was trying so hard to look for sells that we even removed this fair value gap and decided, you know what, no, this is our last line of defense. We're gonna wait for this order block, and then boom, it rushes past the order block. Now what? Okay, well, we can't switch to buys now, we're too far gone. So best to stay out of, you know, out of the move. We're not gonna try and catch it while it's busy moving, because we want to catch nice retracements with price we know for sure is not going to come down at any point, and we know price is going to continue. At that point, we're not entirely sure, so we can't just enter a trade. That'd be too risky. So best to keep the money in our pocket and try again next week, which is exactly what we'll do next week, Tuesday. I'll see you guys then. But as for the results, you can definitely see that I didn't trade at all today. Right there we had core PCE data, and then price started to move once we headed towards this orange folder news, consumer sentiment. But yeah, overall we are at the end of this trading month technically. Yeah, the next time we trade is on Tuesday, and that's the 1st of the next month, which means we are overall profitable for this month. I'm gonna have to calculate all those things in another video, maybe Monday, but I think it's about, okay, let me see, let me actually do this real quick. I'm gonna check my MetaTrader. I'm going to see custom period from the beginning of this month. Yes, beginning of this. Okay, $160.62 we've made in profit this month, which is fantastic. Huge improvements from last couple of months. I know we are trying to dig ourselves out of a hole, but we are making progress. Baby steps, baby steps. We're seeing our first profitable month, and that's already a silver lining. So excitement for trying to do it again next month. I definitely think we improved our discipline this month compared to the other couple months. Hope you guys have noticed that as well. And I'm feeling a lot more confident in taking trades now, and it shows, and I'm really happy about it. So yeah, wish me luck, and I'm wishing you guys the best of luck in trades as well. Watch out for NFP next week, because it's going to be a roller coaster. So yeah, enjoy the weekend.